What's up guys, my name is Michael, and you know it's not a big secret that I like to edit my images, especially the Fujifilm images in Capture One. And I've made a lot of content about this process, and I try to share with you the benefits of Capture One. Now, some of you might think that the price of Capture One is too high. So let's talk about prices a little bit. Now, usually the Capture One Pro Fujifilm version is 249 euros. I cannot talk about the prices in dollars right now because all I have is the European website here, but usually 249. And there is an offer right now that will give you that license for 111 euros. Now that's some great savings. You can save even more if you decide to get the Capture One Pro Fujifilm or even the Sony version with some style packs. Let's have a look at that. If you get the Capture One Pro Fujifilm 12 version plus cinematic style pack plus film style pack plus black and white styles, matte styles, seasonal styles and spectrum styles, the regular price is 653 euros. Now currently this is available for 246 euros. So there is some big savings possible right now. If you want to know how that works, just drop me an email to c1@pixelcatcher.de and I will send you the instructions on how to get that offer. Trust me, everything is 100% legal. You will get a real legal license from Capture One and you will get your invoice from Capture One as well. And by the way, I'm heading to Iceland next week, so hopefully I'm gonna bring some great images from this journey and I will share these images here with you, and I will also share them on my Instagram page. So if you haven't already, check out my Instagram page as well. Thanks for watching and see you soon.